Yes. So this video is kind of different. I'm quite certain you've seen videos like this before. In fact, I'm very certain you've seen videos like this before. But this one is different. I want to show you what is in my tech bag. My everyday carry when I am always on the move. Like you would always see this thing on me. Like it's just like what I would like to carry if I'm working. So without wasting your time, let's get right into the video. So hi, my name is Zainab Suli and this is Python Design Studio. And so I want to walk you through what is in my tech bag. So what would you say that I do? This channel is for my tech business, which I have been running since I was God knows how, or maybe we'll give or take a decade. So over the years, I have evolved. I have done different things, and I have tried different things, but I realized that every ever so often people always call and say, "Hey Zainab, I need to do this," and I needed to have something on me that's kind of like my mobile office work. So coupled with my life as a full-time musician and coupled with my life as a full-time tech head, this is what I would say is my goal. So okay, I've done too much introduction. Okay, so let's start. What is in this tech bag? First of all, let's talk about the bag. This bag is Highland Tactical. Crazy thing, it's on Amazon for maybe like $50 or so, but I bought it in person at I can't remember, but I know I bought it and I bought it for like $35, and it has so many pockets, like seriously, this thing has pockets. Like it has a pocket behind, it has a pocket on the side, it has like all these Velcro straps you can add stuff. So I absolutely love this thing. So let's go, but let's not waste time. Normally here I would keep my shades, like my normal everyday glasses. They go in here. It's like and then sometimes I just keep like my bank tokens and stuff, like stuff like this. I just keep them for easy access. I also have inside this pouch here, I have my business cards, the music card, and then the tech card. They're always here. So I keep them in this corner here. And then up here, I always 24/7 have my Apple AirPods. Like, okay, sometimes they used to be on me, but then most times in my pocket. But other times, if I'm not wearing trousers that have pockets, you will see this one on me. Like, these are the AirPod Pro 2, and God, I love them so much. I use them every day, every time. So yes, this is kind of like my notebook where I write everything I need to write. I make sure that this is always on me because the shortest pencil is longer than the longest memory. So this is always on in the bag. So it also goes in this pouch here. Okay, that is that for this front section of the car. And then when you open the bag, what do you have? Another thing you get my power bank anchor. I've had this power bank for years, like maybe 3-4 years, and it's still going strong. It's not like USB-C like the new one, but you see, I'm not complaining. Like it's absolutely amazing. It's something that I swear by. I have the other one that's very recently I had to get this one. That's the big one. This one I take it everywhere, but when I have a bigger backpack, and then I can use this one to kind of like charge my laptop, charge my stuff. But this is for the small everyday carry, so that big one doesn't go inside. And then what else is here? Oh yeah, we also have my trusty baby, my iPad. This is the iPad Pro M1. See, this thing is faster than all the laptops I've ever had before. It's even faster than my MacBook Pro, because that one I think is like an Intel Mac. So I use this to do everyday work. This is kind of like my mobile office on the go because I am always on the move. This goes with me. I don't take my laptop anywhere. It's right here in front of me. I'm actually shooting with the laptop now, so no, it doesn't go anywhere. But this one goes. I swear by this, God. I don't see any reason to upgrade because this is fast. Like this is blazing fast. So yeah, that is that. Then what else in this backpack? Okay, I have my tech pouch, but actually that's all. That's what's here. And this backpack, you can actually like sling it on your back. I think it's actually for like guns and stuff because they call it like an easy carry, but this one is just amazing. Like, this bag is my go-to every day, every day. So this is my everyday carry. Now let's talk about what's inside my pouch. This pouch goes anywhere that this boy goes. So I will kind of say they are mutually exclusive. One is where everyone is. So, and why I like the videos like this is because it would give you an idea of what to carry if you're a tech head, so that you don't end up forgetting things. And let's start with the tech pouch. I like the pouch. I got it off Amazon, maybe like $10 or maybe $12. And the one thing you'll notice that it opens on the side like this, and when you open it, it opens this way. And as you can see, it's very minimal. I have my Barclays. Okay, first thing you're going to see here is my AirPods charger. I have like it's USB-C, so I have it everywhere. I also have another USB-C. Another USB-C just because it's USB-C. Just that one. And then I have this one. This is a cleaner. This is like the cleaner that I use for my MacBook Pro. I just kind of like it. I got it with the camera that I got, but it just comes in and then it wipes stuff very easily. Amazing stuff. What else? Oh yeah, this is my USB security key. If you know, you know. I can't say so much about it, but this is literally my working bank, So think about it like two-factor authentication for two-factor authentication. Oh yeah, and then I have this thing. This is, this Bagley means and stuff. But why I like this one in particular is because this one is custom. So inside it, I have most of the dongles that I use every day. I have my USB-C. Unihub is amazing. I love them because seriously, they're just good. I think it's a memory card adapter, but then the beauty about this one is that it goes both ways. It goes this, goes both ways, and that's that one. And then you have a couple of dongles. And then because I rarely do flash drives, I have my right in the tin. I have my memory cards. That is amazing because memory cards are the way to go. So this memory card is like 128 gig. It's even more than a flash drive. So yeah. So all I have to do is just put this inside the dongle and I'm good to go. So that's that one about that one. Then on this side, you're going to see I have a trusty pen. Remember earlier on I showed you the notebook because where a short pen, long pencil thing. So always have a pen on you. See, trust me, there's so much you can do. Imagine if your battery dies and even if your power bank dies, always have a pen on you. Okay? And because as my other life as a semi-full-time musician, I always need to record something or send a demo to my producer. So I have these things here just also listen to music, basically. But because I have the iPad on me, and if you have the iPhone, you already know that we don't have a USB hub. So this is where this dongle here comes in. So all I have to do is just kind of like chuck this one inside here, and then I'm just go. I just put it. So I have this default in my bag because you never know when you're gonna need it, and you don't have time for USB-C drama. And in the same vein, I also have an extension for, it's just like a 3.5mm jack to jack stuff. And this is because of my music life, more or less. So that's why I have it there. And then here, on this side, I have a very huge USB-C cable. Now this is an Amazon Basics cable, maybe like $10. But the reason I have this one in addition to the other USB-C cables is because you remember that power bank I showed you earlier? This one. This power bank is not going to work with a very small cable. Because this power bank will charge, there's something called power delivery. So it's going to charge your iPad and still work. So for that you need very quality cables. And yeah, that's what this is for. So I just have it in when I need to probably charge my iPad or even my MacBook. It's strong enough to carry it. And then on this side, which is the final side of the pouch, I have this U-Green stuff. Yeah, I did show you an SD card adapter before, but this is kind of like extra. And another reason why I don't really use this much is because it gets hot. So I know a lot of people can say I'm new green, but I'm not a fan of new green stuff at all because I can't feel like you can't put like two memory cards in this thing. It's going to get really hot, and I'm scared for my devices, so I don't want that to happen. So no, please. Okay, what else? This is my iPhone default charger because why not? I most likely wouldn't use it, but when I want to use my normal power bank charger thing, that's where it comes in. And so all of that goes into this. So you can see how compact it is, and I'm not throwing things around because you're likely to lose something. And why I like this setup really well is because this, even if I'm not taking this backpack with me, I could just take my pouch and throw it into the bigger backpack and I'm good to go. So there you have it. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what else you want to see because for a long time I don't want to have a channel for this. I don't want to have a YouTube channel for Python, but we decided let's share the knowledge we have. So I guess I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. My name is Zainab Sui, and I guess I'll catch you in the next one.